everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please do like and subscribe! So in this video, i-review natin yung Singer Confidence 7640. I will do an unboxing and basic tutorials, and I will show you the features of Singer Confidence and yung mga pros and cons niya. So stay with me and join me while I introduce you to this sewing machine. Ayan. Sorry, I'm not wearing my uniform. Naka-t-shirt lang ako. Anyway, ito siya. Ayan. And buong features niya. So, what I like about this machine is meron na siyang kasama. Sa package niya, meron na siyang kasamang built-in extension table. This one. Ayan. So, isa siya sa advantage ni Singer Confidence. Another one is, ayan. Marami siyang kasamang stitches and meron din siyang monogram sa likod. Sorry. Ayan. So, tackle natin isa-isa yung mga basic features and basic parts ni Singer Confidence. Okay? Actually, nasa box na lahat. Nakatackle ko na yung mga special features na meron siya. Ayan. And ito yung mga accessories na kasama. Ayan. Basic accessories. Ang kagandahan lang dito kasi meron na din siyang kasamang isa sa reason kung bakit ko binili itong machine na ito is because of the extension table that comes in the package. It really helps a lot, lalo na pag mga bigger projects ang gagawin mo like quilts and blankets. Also, this machine comes with two separate cords, one for the foot pedal and one for the power cord. Since this machine is a computerized sewing machine, wala tayong makikitang masyadong dials. So, meron lang siyang LCD display. Doon natin i-input yung mga stitch na gagamitin natin for our projects. Also, threading this machine is so easy. Just have to follow the numbers assigned in every station. Also, this machine comes with an automatic threader. Very helpful siya lalo sa mga malalabong mata. Singer Confidence also has a top loading bobbin in which you can easily put the bobbin in place and follow the arrows. This machine comes with a stitch card. Doon makikita lahat ng 200 available stitch pattern, including the monogram or the letters. You will use this stitch card to input the corresponding numbers that you will use for your project. The stitch card is also divided into 3. For example, the machine is set in its lowest speed. Then you can easily adjust it if you want it to be faster. Let's try another pattern. This one, let's do the zigzag. The code is 6, so set it to number 6. This time, I will use the push button feature of the machine. Just press the start button and then press it again to stop. Lift the presser foot and then cut the thread with the automatic thread cutter. Let us also try the decorative stitch. Press nyo lang yung double star and then choose your pattern. Input the code or the corresponding number on your pattern. final verdict ko for Singer Confidence. First, marami kasi siyang stitches. So, it's a plus for me. Meron siyang 200 stitches. Marami siyang decorative stitches na pwede mga gamitin. Meron siyang monogram, yung mga letters and numbers. So, yun yung mga isa sa advantage niya. Pangalawa, meron na siyang kasamang extension table sa package niya. So, it's a plus also for me. Lalo na dun sa mga may hilig gumawa ng quilts or gumawa ng mga malalaking projects such as blankets, mga ganon. So, very helpful yung extension table ng kasama niya. Pangatlo, meron na siyang kasamang foot for the quilters. And also, very good siya for beginners kasi meron siyang adjustment ng speed niya, speed adjustment niya. Pwede siyang mabagal, pwede siyang mabilis. Another one of the advantage of Singer Confidence is if sanay kayo sa press button na machine, meron din siyang option na ganun. And then, meron din siyang foot pedal. So, isa sa advantage niya yun. And also, I like is about yung marami siyang designs for the buttonholes. Hindi lang yung isang basic design. So, that's a plus also for me. So, talking about the disadvantage side on my part, yung LCD niya is walang light. So, pag magtatahi kayo ng madilim, so kailangan nyo ng extra lamp or extra light para lang makita nyo yung LCD niya, yung pinipindutan doon. So, si Singer Confidence ay merong 2 separate wires. One for the plug and one for the foot pedal. Siguro ginawa nila yon para if in case ayaw nyo gamitin yung foot pedal, you can just unplug it and use the press button option for this machine. Another one of the disadvantage on my part is yung card nila. I mean, yung list of stitches nila is naka-separate siya. Nakalagay siya sa plastic card. Actually, it's a durable card. Kaya lang on my part, better para sa akin na naka-imprint kasi nasanay tayo na naka-imprint yung mga stitches, available stitches, dun mismo sa machine. Hindi siya naka-separate. So, pag medyo careless kayo or na misplace nyo to, so malaking problema on your part. Verdict for this machine, I will give this machine 10 out of 10 rating. It's very good for beginners and meron siyang mga features na very user-friendly. So, pag pinurchase nyo to, hindi kayo magsisisi kasi marami na siyang features na hindi nyo makikita sa ibang machine. So, if you like this video, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And also, please subscribe to my channel to watch more video tutorials and more sewing machine reviews and unboxing. So, until next video, thank you!